विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार आहेत डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स. तर डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स मध्ये आपण पाहणार आहेत व्हॉट इज डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट and their electronic configuration, what is transition element and their electronic configuration, what is transition element and position of D block element in periodic table. मित्रांनो, ज्या पिरियडिक टेबलमध्ये जेही काही एलिमेंट्स आहेत ते एलिमेंट क्लासिफाईड केले आहेत 4 ब्लॉकमध्ये: एस ब्लॉक एलिमेंट, पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट, डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट आणि एफ ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स. एस आणि पी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट हे तुम्ही FY क्लासमध्ये शिकलेले आहात. आज आपण डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट शिकणार आहोत. तर डेफिनेशन ऑफ डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स: द इलेक्ट्रॉन enter in outermost shell of d orbitals is called as D block element. किंवा आपण त्याला वेगळ्या पद्धतीने डिफाइन करू शकतो: द एलिमेंट ऑफ पिरियडिक टेबल belonging to groups 3 to 12 are also known as D block elements because in these elements last electron enter in D subshell or D orbitals. The D block elements lies between S and P block elements in the long form of periodic table. What is transition elements now? Transition element म्हणजे काय? Transition element is defined as the one which has incompletely filled the orbitals in its ground state or in any one of its oxidation states. That is, a transition element should have partially filled n-1 d orbitals. मित्रांनो, D block elements are also called as transition elements because their properties intermediate between S and P block elements. That's why it is also called as transition elements. In periodic table, transition elements contain zinc, cadmium, mercury and copernicium because these elements have fulfilled their atoms and ions. Next part is that electronic configuration. तुम्ही FY क्लासमध्ये शिकलेलेच असाल what is electronic configuration. The D block elements have electronic configuration n-1 D 1 to 10, ns 0 to 2, and the electronic configuration of transition element n-1 d 1 to 9, ns 0 to 2. The position of D block elements in periodic table is sandwiched between S and P block elements. मित्रांनो, S ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स हे पिरियडिक टेबलच्या एक्स्ट्रीम लेफ्ट हँड साईडला असतात आणि P ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स हे पिरियडिक टेबलच्या एक्स्ट्रीम राईट हँड साईडला असतात आणि D ब्लॉक एलिमेंटची जी पोझिशन प्लेसमेंट जी आहे ती दोघही ब्लॉक एलिमेंटच्या सँडविच पोझिशनला आहे. नेक्स्ट, transition series. There are 4 transition series in D block elements. First transition series is also called as 3D series. It contains 9 elements from scandium to copper with atomic number 21 to 29. Second transition series is also called as 4D series. It also contains 9 elements from yttrium to silver, that is from atomic number 39 to 47. Third series in transition element is also called as 5D series, that is from lanthanum to gold. Gold means Au, aurum. It also contains 9 elements with atomic number 57 to 79. Fourth transition is called as 6D series. It is incompletely series. It contains 9 elements, actinium to rutherfordium, that is from 89 to 111. Today we have seen too much here. Tomorrow we will see next properties of D block elements. Thank you.